Well, hi there, I'm in my garage. It's a chilly day outside here in Minnesota. It's about -5 degrees Fahrenheit, probably even below freezing here in my garage. It's a bit chilly, even though it's insulated. One of the blogs that I have that gets the most hits consistently every month is my blog about our folding bikes. And I was working on mine and getting ready for our trip here down to Arizona. And I thought I'd just show a video of how to take them down and put them back up and how easy it is. We have the Citizen Gothams 24/7. They're a 24-inch wheel, 7-speed. So they're nice bikes. We use them all the time. We love them. And since it's hard to rent bikes nowadays, it's nice to have these to travel with. Anyway, I've got it up, so I'm going to take it down real quick. I put a little extra latch here around the middle. My blog explains why this can pop up. Undo this little latch here for the middle. Put the pedals up. Something I forget to do all the time. Put my kickstand up. Throw down the seat. And then take down the handlebars, like so. And then just put it together like this. A lot of times I put like a Amazon bubble pack in here to kind of keep the fenders from getting all dinged up. I forgot to get that. And then you throw it in the bag, and to be truthful, putting it in the bag is probably the hardest part of this whole game. Just kind of hardest on the back, and just take your time and kind of zip it up. It's kind of a pain to get it in here and get it right. So I've just learned to take my time and not try to force anything to keep my back from getting hurt. But other than that, that's it. That's folding it up. Then you can pick it up. I throw it in the back of my Camry right here. We can put two of them on top of each other in the back seat there. So when I get where we want to go, I take them out of the car. I undo the bag. This is sort of the reverse process of what I did there. It doesn't take much. Again, this is probably the hardest part, is getting it out of the stupid bag. So once you got that, just unfold it. I'm going to turn it this way so you can see it. Put this little latch down there, tighten up the retaining screw. I put this little kind of anklet Velcro strip around it to keep it from popping off, which you can do once in a while. Pop up your pedals, bring up your seat. I know that I need mine about 9 inches, and Julie's is about 8, so I got that memorized. And then the last little bit is throwing up the handlebars, latching those in. Hey, what do you know? You're ready to ride. What does that take? About 10 seconds? Well, probably about a minute, maybe. And then one last thing we do is we throw mirrors in the side here. So I always have the hex wrench with me. And I go ahead and just tighten those up. Takes about another 30 seconds. Usually takes me longer to find this stuff than it does to do the actual assembly. So anyway, that's the bikes. How you take them up and down. It's real easy, as you can see. So hope you might consider getting one of these bikes. I know Citizen has them. The price has gone up quite a bit since when we bought them, but I think they're still a great deal, and they make a great bike for riding a long ways. We have gone into the 30-mile range quite a few times on it. I've gone over 40 miles a few times on it. The seats are fairly comfortable. It's a nice height, and the wheels roll well. So anyway, hope that helps you out if you're trying to make a decision about these bikes. You can check out some of our videos. I'll list them in the video here where we're actually riding the folding bikes, and then you can see how they look when you're riding them. Well, thanks for watching, and on to my next adventure. Hopefully you'll see some videos from Arizona pretty soon. Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment. Also subscribe and stay tuned for our future adventures.